We're going to show you in this video our DLX-GRIPS with built-in turn signals from Motogadget. These grips come chrome or black and they fit all metric and Harleys. They already include the adapter for your application. As you can see, the turn signals are completely clear at the end. Now we're going to connect them and show you how bright these signals are. They're completely on right now, which you can do with a module that we can also offer you. But if you want them just turn signals, it will work like this. You can find them on our website, MeanCycles.com. As I said before, they fit all metric bikes and Harleys, black or chrome finish. DLX-GRIPS with built-in turn signals from Motogadget. A clean way to add signals to your bike.